A stunning Volvo V90 Cross Country for you today. A 2020 V90 Cross Country Plus D4 automatic. What that means is top of the range, 2-litre diesel, automatic 4-wheel drive, loaded with kit in absolutely stunning condition. Just pay attention to the bodywork as we walk around. Lovely Mussel Blue metallic paintwork. You see the previous owner has fitted the mud guards there to keep the exterior of the car nice and clean. V90CCs sit up a bit higher than a V90, a 4-wheel drive, a very capable all-round car. Very, very large boot, you'll see with the boot liner there, and an important button at the back here. I push this here. Car's got a semi-electric folding tow bar, like so. As I say, 2-litre diesel 4-wheel drive, so capable tow vehicle. There is a spare wheel underneath the boot floor and a folding dog guard at the top. Just pop the electric tailgate back down. We've got a 360-degree parking camera, so you can line up your caravan with the tow bar as well, which is very, very neat. But bodywork, Mussel Blue paintwork is in fantastic order. The car's only got 8,000 miles, so it's out of the box really. Lovely two-tone alloy wheels, premium tyres with lots of tread. Fantastic cars, these V90CCs. 190 horsepower, 2-litre turbo diesel, a fair amount of power but reasonable running costs. The front of this long bonnet here, full LED headlamps, LED running lights. We've also got front park assist there too. So exterior is wonderful. Interior, so much space inside these V90CCs. Rear ISOFIX points if required, but look at that legroom. Fantastic. Something I shouldn't forget to mention whilst we're here, this car has got the sun blinds built into these rear doors, like so. Great if you've got kids in the back. Front seats are heated as this car's got the winter pack. The driver's side is electronically adjustable with the memory function. Really comfortable seats. And you'll notice here this lovely open pore wood finish. Very premium feeling cabin. Mileage 8,500 miles. And as I say, Cross Country Plus, so loaded with spec. We've got pilot assist here, which is adaptive cruise control and lane assist working together for semi-autonomous driving. 360-degree parking cameras. We've also got a very important option. It's quite hard to pick up on the camera. We've got a head-up display there, so you'll see the speed in front of us. It's in poor conditions. You never have to take your eyes off of the road. Such a capable car. DAB radio, sat-nav, as you'd expect. Car's in fantastic order. Along with the heated seats, we've got a heated steering wheel too. The car is, as it should be, 8,000 miles, serviced once last year. Nothing wrong with it at all. Great level of spec. That tow bar makes it so desirable, and the pilot assist makes it, well, nearly drive itself. Now this car, as with all of our cars, can be reserved with a £99 holding deposit. You can then make your way over and come for a test drive. Large, luxurious, 4-wheel drive, diesel, automatic. It just does it all. It looks fantastic, and this is such a fantastic example. A great saving against the new price and a really outstanding car. Come and have a look for yourself.